welcome back. So today we're making our mango juice. You see our mangoes in the bowl, as you can see them. Yeah. So we're going to put these mangoes to the blender, mix with some ginger, and we blend, and then save our juice. That's it, just 1 minute. 1 minute juice. Yeah, after blending our mango juice, we'll transfer it to a sieve to sieve out the small particles. Yeah, and our juice is ready. You can see in the bowl already sieved, very clean, very yummy. And then you can transfer to your glass, and your mango juice is ready just like that in just an instant. With only 2 ingredients, or practically one: the mango, very ripe mangoes, and your mango juice is ready. Very nice for breakfast, very nice in the afternoon. You can have this anywhere, keep it in your freezer, and you can take your juice just like that. So yummy. Just add mango and water to it, and maybe some little ginger, and yeah,